This is the type of mock test. So all of you are requested to take pen and paper and note down the correct answer of your own. For every question you will be given 10 seconds to think, and the final answer key will be displayed at the end of this video. Thank you. Question number 1. Which of the following statement is true? Option number 1 is force of attraction between molecules of solid is less than the gas. Option number 2 is force of attraction between molecules of gas is greater than the solid. Option number 3 is force of attraction between the molecules of gas is less than solid. And option number 4 is force of attraction between molecules of liquid is less than the both of the gas and the solid. Question number 2. Carbon, hydrogen and nitrogen are dash dash. Option number 1 is elements. Option number 2 is molecules. Option number 3 is compounds. And option number 4 is none of these. Question number 3. The process of changing a solid into liquid is called as a. Option number 1 is freezing. Option number 2 is melting. Option number 3 is evaporation. And option number 4 is condensation. Question number 4. Which of the following liquid is immiscible in water? Option number 1 is honey. Option number 2 is glycerine. Option number 3 is milk. And option number 4 is oil. Question number 5. Which of the following statement is true? Option number 1 is physical changes are reversible. Option number 2, chemical changes are temporary. Option number 3, physical changes are permanent in nature. And option number 4 is none of these. Question number 6. Point out the energy that cannot be used to produce electricity. Option number 1 is solar energy. Option number 2 is sound energy. Option number 3 is hydraulic energy. And option number 4 is wind energy. Question number 7. Find out the example of second class lever. Option number 1 is ice tongs. Option number 2 is beam balance. Option number 3 is hammer. And option number 4 is wheelbarrow. Question number 8. Inclined planes or ramps are used to dash dash. Option number 1 is lift the heavy load in less efforts. Option number 2 is lift the light load with greater efforts. Option number 3 is lift the heavy load with more efforts. And option number 4 is lift the heavy load in more time and less efforts. Question number 9. Wedge is a simple machine that has dash dash inclined plane. Option number 1 is 1. Option number 2 is 3. Option number 3 is 2. And option number 4 is none of these. Question number 10. The ability to do work is known as. Option number 1 is push, option number 2 is pull, option number 3 is force, and option number 4 is energy. Question number 11. Which of these has a fixed volume but not a fixed shape? Option number 1 is gas, option number 2 is liquid, option number 3 is solid, and option number 4 is none of these. Question number 12. Molecules of which of the following have the weak force of attraction? Option number 1 is milk, option number 2 is water, option number 3 is nitrogen, and option number 4 is piece of chalk. Question number 13. Which of the following is kharip crop? Option number 1 is wheat, option number 2 is mustard, option number 3 is apple, and option number 4 is rice. Question number 14. The cropping season for kharip crops is from dash dash. Option number 1 is January to June, option number 2 is October to March, option number 3 is December to May, and option number 4 is May or June to October. Question number 15. Dash dash are used to destroy the harmful pests. Option number 1 is fertilizers, option number 2 is pesticides, option number 3 is insecticides, and option number 4 is irrigation. Question number 16. Find the odd man from the following. Option number 1 is radish, option number 2 is moong, option number 3 is mango, and option number 4 is tomato. Question number 17. Hemp is example of dash dash crop. Option number 1 is oilseed, option number 2 is food, option number 3 is fruit, and option number 4 is fiber. Question number 18. Dash dash is an example of plant that is grown from leaves. Option number 1 is fern, option number 2 is Bryophyllum, option number 3 is carrot, and option number 4 is rose. Question number 19. Which of the following seed part is located in seed embryo? Option number 1 is baby root, option number 2 is seed coat, option number 3 is Cotyledons, and option number 4 is none of these. Question number 20. Which of the following grows on clay soil? Option number 1 is rice, option number 2 is cotton, option number 3 is coconut, and option number 4 is apple.